Hello everybody, it's Corvette Dan. Welcome back to the channel. What I'm working on now is my 2014 C7 Stingray 3LT Premier Edition Z51 convertible. That's a lot to say. Anyway, what we are doing is I am installing LED lights on the car. I am doing this as a surprise to my wife. She liked the little LEDs I put in the exhaust, so we're going to go ahead and do that whole thing. I don't need to really show you everything, like, where to stick them and how you want them presented, but I'm going to show you really quickly here how we had them wired up. Okay, first of all, I went over here to the fuse box and I popped this cover up like so. It pops up like this. And I dropped a nut on top of this lug here. It's a metric, and ran a wire with fuse, right? And I connected it to a remote control box. I grounded to the dry sump. There's other areas you can ground if you have a non-Z51. This is a Z51. The antenna's right here. The remote's in my hand. I took the box, the remote box, I'm going to show, inside here, right? And from there, I fished the wires down through there. You see that little opening? Right? I fished the wires down there. Basically, if you come down here and there's a panel, I'll try to show best I can, that comes off with 7mm bolts and a 10, and the mud guard, if you will, just clips off. And from there I was able to pry this piece back and fish the wires out. As you can see, the wires are out, and just for testing, I have linked it up to the LED lights. Got the connectors on everything, and then they are taped, soldered where needed. Anyway, I just want to show you that this is going to work. It's a remote control, so it is hardwired to the battery, folks. So I hit the on, it comes on. I hit the off, it goes off. Anyway, I'm going to finish wiring this up. Basically, I'm going to run the LEDs to the back of the car here. I'm going to connect them to another set around the back of the car, and then one going up to the other side of the car. But I just wanted to show. Let me know what you think. Please click that bell to be notified. Like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. I'd greatly appreciate it. This is Corvette Dan. Tune in for when I display the car with all the LEDs. They are green, as in the car. Lime rock green. Thanks, everyone. Until the next one.